Hi, it's me. Today we are going to talk about the mosasaurs, also known as the Kraken of the Cretaceous. Mosasaurs were a group of marine reptiles that lived during the Cretaceous period. They were known for their immense size, powerful jaws, and fierce predatory behavior. In fact, they were some of the apex predators in their environment, feeding on fish, turtles, seabirds, and even other mosasaurs. In this video, we will explore the origins, physical characteristics, diet, and behavior of the mosasaurs, as well as the evidence that supports these aspects of its biology. We will also discuss the mosasaurs' role in the ecosystem and its importance in the study of evolution. Mosasaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that lived in the world's oceans from the late Cretaceous period, which lasted from around 100 to 66 million years ago. They were part of a larger group called the Lacertilia, which also includes crocodiles, birds, and dinosaurs. Mosasaurs were not dinosaurs, but they were contemporaries of the dinosaurs and lived alongside them for millions of years. There were many different species of mosasaurs, but they all shared certain common features. They had long, slender bodies with paddle-like limbs that were adapted for swimming. Their tails were flattened from side to side, and they had large, powerful jaws filled with sharp teeth. Mosasaurs ranged in size from a few meters to over 15 meters long. The largest species of Mosasaurus was the hoffmanni, which could grow up to 17 meters long and weigh over 34 tons. The name Mosasaurus comes from the Greek words mosis, which means large, and saurus, which means lizard. It was first described by the Dutch paleontologist Ferdinand van der Merel in 1824. Mosasaurs were named after the Moses, an ancient people who inhabited the area where the fossil was found. The geographical distribution of mosasaurs was vast. They were found in the coastal waters of Europe, North America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. They preferred shallow, warm waters, such as lagoons, bays, and estuaries. Mosasaurs were highly successful in their environment and were the top predators in most of the marine ecosystems they inhabited. They were perfectly adapted for life in the water with their streamlined bodies and powerful tails, which allowed them to swim at high speeds and great distances. Their large eyes and excellent sense of smell helped them locate prey, while their sharp teeth and strong jaws allowed them to capture and consume their prey quickly and efficiently. Now let's move on to the appearance of mosasaurs. They were truly magnificent creatures with their massive size, powerful jaws, and sleek bodies. However, their appearance was not just impressive, it was also highly functional. Their elongated bodies were perfect for swimming through the water with ease, and their paddle-like limbs helped them steer and maneuver with precision. Their large, flat tails provided the necessary propulsion for them to reach impressive speeds, while their dorsal fins and flippers kept them stable and balanced. But perhaps the most striking feature of the mosasaurs was their huge jaws lined with sharp, jagged teeth. These jaws were capable of delivering a crushing bite force that could easily shatter bones or tear through flesh. Overall, the mosasaurs' appearance was a testament to the power and efficiency of natural selection. Every aspect of their anatomy was perfectly suited to their environment, making them the ultimate predators of their day. Let's delve into the diet of mosasaurs. As apex predators, mosasaurs had a voracious appetite and were known to feed on almost anything that entered their territory. Their diet consisted mainly of fish, including tuna, salmon, and mackerel. They also hunted other marine animals such as turtles, dolphins, and porpoises. Mosasaurs were also known to feed on seabirds, which they captured by diving into the water and snatching them out of the air. Mosasaurs were opportunistic feeders and would often scavenge dead carcasses if the opportunity arose. They were also cannibalistic and were known to feed on other mosasaurs, especially hatchlings and juveniles. Mosasaurs had to consume large amounts of food to meet their enormous energy needs. It is estimated that a full-grown mosasaurus could eat up to 1 ton of food per day. This would include several large fish or 1 or 2 smaller mosasaurs. Mosasaurs were solitary hunters and would often compete with each other for food. They were also known to work together in groups to capture large prey. Moving on to the behavior of mosasaurs, these marine reptiles were highly active and could swim at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. They were also capable of leaping out of the water and had excellent maneuverability, allowing them to turn quickly and chase down their prey. Mosasaurs were territorial and would defend their space from intruders. They were also highly aggressive and would attack anything that entered their territory. Mosasaurs were carnivorous and fed on a variety of marine life, including fish, turtles, birds, and other mosasaurs. They had a strong bite force and used their sharp teeth to tear apart their prey. Mosasaurs were believed to be solitary creatures, but they could sometimes be found in groups when hunting or scavenging for food. They were also known to communicate with each other through various vocalizations and body language. Now let's look at the evidence that supports our understanding of mosasaurs. The fossil record of mosasaurs is rich and varied, with hundreds of specimens having been discovered in various parts of the world. These fossils have provided valuable insights into the anatomy, behavior, and evolution of mosasaurs. One of the most famous Mosasaurus fossils is the holotype specimen of Mosasaurus hoffmanni, which was discovered in 1852 in Western Canada. This fossil consists of a complete skeleton and is one of the most complete skeletons of any large marine reptile. Other fossil discoveries have revealed Mosasaurus nesting sites, which have provided evidence of their reproductive behavior. For example, a fossil site in North Carolina contains hundreds of Mosasaurus eggs, as well as the nests in which they were laid. This site provides valuable information about Mosasaurus reproduction and behavior. Another important source of information about Mosasaurus is the study of their structure. By examining the structure of Mosasaurs, paleontologists have been able to learn about their growth, development, and lifespan. For example, the study of growth rings in mosasaurs' bones has revealed that some species of mosasaurs grew to their maximum size in less than 30 years. This is much faster than the growth rate of most other large marine reptiles. Finally, the study of isotopes has provided information about the diet and habitat of mosasaurs. Isotope analysis of mosasaurs' bones has shown that they were primarily consumers of marine organisms, such as fish and invertebrates. This is supported by the analysis of their tooth structure, which reveals that they were adapted for catching and consuming slippery prey. As we conclude our exploration of the Mosasaurus, we are left in awe of these magnificent creatures. Their immense size, powerful jaws, and sleek bodies make them truly unforgettable. From their ability to leap out of the water to their voracious appetite, mosasaurs were the ultimate predators of their time. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time. We hope you learned something new and exciting about the Mosasaurus. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about prehistoric creatures. Until next time, mosasaurs forever. Our top geographies? No. 1. United Kingdom. Hello. If you like our videos, you can support us by becoming a member. You will get access to our exclusive server. We also have some other cool perks. Check it out. Number 2. United States.